So in any of this situation, if we remember that it's not they are rejecting us, whereas they are rejecting due to the blockage what they have in their life. Hello. See what is the topic for today? She's Cookie, my cutie pie baby. Say hello to everyone. Say hello to everyone. Oh, she's very naughty. What is the topic for today? Fear of rejection. You heard that? I welcome you all. I am Leena, a mentor, a coach, a passionate woman empowerment leader. Fear of rejection. You know, whenever we start the business, we have too much of enthusiasm. We have vision, we have dreams, a lot of business plans, and we really feel it's going to be awesome. But then comes a day that the order doesn't come, the call which you are expecting doesn't show up, and then you hit this fear, which I call it as fear of rejection. It's important to learn how to handle this fear of rejection before we start the business rather than feel it on the journey, because sometimes we fall really bad when you hit rejection. Let me tell you a story about a silly girl who used to go around every door knocking at the door to sell her cookie boxes. Eventually, she became the number one top seller in that village, and she was called for an interview that what is the formula she applies that she is able to sell all her cookie boxes. And this little girl told the formula SW, 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 SW. Someone will, someone won't, so what? Someone's waiting. Let me repeat that for you. SW, 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 SW. Someone will, someone won't, so what? Someone's waiting. If we remember this formula, we will never feel low about rejection. What this little girl shows us the wisdom. I remember in my business, when I get into the room and show the business plan about my business, how it works, and tell the people what are the services which I am selling, out of 15 people in the room, there would be 7 people who will be buying it. Do I really need to worry about other half of the room when I know that the pattern is that only 50% of the people will buy? And it's not because of that they didn't like your product and service or they didn't like you. It's because that they had their own personal reason which they are not able to go ahead and buy it. Either they can't afford it, or maybe the services, or they have some function which is coming up, or they are not ready for it. So in any of this situation, if we remember that it's not they are rejecting us, whereas they are rejecting due to the blockage what they have in their life. And it could be anything which we can't anticipate. So when we face this fear of rejection, rather than losing confidence and losing your self-esteem, because if we lose that, then the business will never flourish. So always remember that there would be people who will not buy, and there will be someone who is waiting. So then why to worry? Let's get started with the business on its journey. See you all with the next learning, with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you.